Good morning, students. After completing few topics of atmospheric refraction, today we will discuss about another topic of atmospheric refraction, that is delayed sunset or early sunrise. In this question, we have to give the reason why sun appears 2 minutes even after the sunset or 2 minutes before the sunrise. In this case, we should assume all the condition in that time. Suppose this is earth and this is observer and this is a horizon line, and the sun, suppose it is below the horizon just after the sunset. But when the light rays are moving from rarer medium to denser medium, it always bends towards the normal, and several atmospheric layers are there. When the light ray travel from rarer to denser, it bends towards the normal, then again towards the normal, and in this way, when it reaches to the observer on earth, human eye can see the light rays in the straight line only, and that's why the observer sees this sun just above the sun. And because these light rays appears to come from another position, it is just above the horizon line, and that's why even after the 2 minutes of the sunset, the sun appears. Similar way, you can express the early sunrise. The sun will appear 2 minutes before the sunrise because of this atmospheric refraction. Now, after completing the sunrise or sunset, we will discuss about the rainbow formation. You have always seen a 7-color huge rainbow just after the rainfall if the sun appears. And how this form? It is again due to a main phenomena, that is dispersion of light. Just after this rainfall, several raindrops are suspended inside the air, and if the sun appears, this white light enters the raindrops, and these raindrops acting just like the prism, and when this light ray enters, it splits up into 7 colors, but due to total internal reflection, these light rays again bounce back to the same medium, and in this way a huge spectrum will form because of the millions and trillions of the water droplets are floating. Now, another question arises, what are the phenomena involved in this rainbow formation? There are 3 phenomena involved. One is dispersion of light. Of course, it is splitting of white light into 7 colors. And second, it is total internal reflection, which give rise to the bouncing back of the light into the same medium. And third one, of course, it is atmospheric refraction. In this way, you can explain the rainbow formation due to atmospheric refraction. Thank you.